Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to select a subject and remove it from the image in Photoshop 2024. Let's start. First select the Object Selection tool, and then select your object. Go to Select menu, then select Modify, and then Expand. You can enter the number to expand by 21. Or as you need. Then again go to Select menu, then select Modify, and select Feather. You can enter the number to feather by 9. Or as you need. Right-click on your subject and select Content Aware Fill. You will see the result in Preview window. Once you are satisfied with the result, hit OK. Press Ctrl+D to remove the selection. Select all layers with Shift key and merge them. Fix the parts of image which are left after removing the subject by selecting the Clone Stamp tool. Looks great.